Already I explained question pattern of 10th standard public exam in English. 2 days already giving what is the pattern of government English question paper exam. So today I talk remaining questions. Last day I explained one word questions, totally asking 14 questions. 14 questions I explained which one questions come first one word, second one word, first 3 one word synonyms, next 3 one word antonyms, and plural form, another one prefix suffix, next one common expansion, and idioms, another one compound word, another one prepositions, next tense forms and linker. So totally 14 questions explained. How is asked for public exam. Public exams giving simple way to take highest mark. Nearest 95 above is possible to take in English because you are hard working. You need hard work. Hard work means systematic and sincere studies about your subject. Already you know very well for how to write an exam. Just simply I talk about how to write in a simple way. Because preparation is must needed. Preparation is must need for take more marks in exam. So last day I explained up to 14th onward. Now today 2 more questions. You want to write 10 2 more questions. 10 2 more questions asked. So first section 1 asking 3 questions, giving 3 questions, giving 4 questions, you write 3 questions, short questions. Short questions you want to study only back sides of the questions of the book. Every lessons back side giving short questions. So you want to study that questions, you easily to attend short question in that exam. So public exam asking 3 short questions. 3 short questions only contain 5 lessons. Prose giving 5 lessons. Deleted portion except deleted portions. 5 lessons are giving for your public exam. So public exam 5 lessons asking 4 questions. You want to attend, you must attend 3 questions. Write in short question, short answer. So first lesson questions is very easiest one. In Seagull already you studied paragraph. So whatever they ask any questions, you understand the question and you answer yourself easily yourself writing for that short answer. Because you know very well for that paragraph. So paragraph line which one ask you write the answer very easily. And then second one is the empowered woman navigating. That questions also, that paragraph also you studied well. So that asking anyone short question, you write easily. So 2 short questions in you already studied paragraph. And then 3rd lesson, 4th lesson, 5th lessons last back giving questions. Last page. End of the lesson giving short questions. So you read that short questions. For nearest 2 or 3 questions every lesson you will easily to attempt that short question answer. So try to study well in short questions. Try to practicing 10 questions enough. 10 questions or 15 questions every lessons you study 2 or 3 questions enough. You easily to attempt 3 short questions. 3 short questions giving 4 short questions you attend 3 short questions. So only first part 2 mark you want to attend 10 2 mark 10 2 mark First section 1, you attend 3 short questions. First section 1. Section 2, appreciation question. Appreciation question means giving 2 lines of the poem. Only having 3 poem. 3 poem is memory poem. Memory poems already you studied. Memory poem is easier the life, and then the secret of machines, and another one poem is easiest one. So 3 poem la giving lines, 2 lines giving, asking that explain the line, about the line. Asking appreciation question mean asking the questions about the line, related to the line. Who is the speaker? Who is the author of the given lines? One question asking that way. Another one questions giving 2 lines asking just to explain that line. So easiest one. You want to understand. Because memory poem you studied now easily to write that appreciation questions. You know very well for in that line. Memory poem la you memorized lines, so you know very well. And also you studied paragraph. Paragraph la I am every human, life every human, and then the secret of machines. So anyone students studied 2 paragraph. You want to read, want to attend 2 paragraph in paragraph question and answer la you need 2 paragraph. Poem, prose 2 paragraph. Poem la you need to write. You want to read, you want to write 2 poem questions. So poem paragraph you studied 2 paragraph. So that is easiest one to attend appreciation question. Appreciation question giving 2 lines of the poem. So they are asking about explain the lines. So you understand easily. So every poem you read or you study or 3 or 4 appreciation questions. Book backside giving the appreciation questions. You want to get more marks, you study backsides of the questions. Every lesson, every poem having question giving for last page of the lessons or poem. So that poem last page giving appreciation questions. You want to read, you want to study, you want to understand the lines, easiest to attend that questions. Write the correct answer easily. Because you need 3 appreciation questions, 4 appreciation question giving. You want to attend 3 appreciation questions. 3 appreciation questions you know very well to 3 memory poem. So memory poem you know thoroughly. You are easiest to attend for appreciation questions. Because I explain but not giving in here is not needed for explain appreciation questions. Just simply telling hobbies attend your exam. Okay, hobbies attend. Already you know very well about who are take more marks already studied appreciation question. So no one not know about that question pattern, so that students possible to understand this one. Some students not, because in school students are easiest to understand and know very well for that this type questions. But a few students to private students not know, don't know anything that about the questions. So just simply I tell for in matriculation students about how to matriculation students must need to talk in English. So here like one student asking for me to speak in English, so just simply I talk in English. So matriculation students need to know very well about how to attend all questions. Exam pattern is very simply know very well, but in Tamil medium student, in government school student not able to understand the questions. So that's why I try to tell in a simple way for this explains about the question pattern only. Appreciation questions only giving poetic lines, poem lines. So you read the line, you understand the line, understand the meaning of the lines. And then asking questions, you read that question, you will understand, and then you write answer easily. So must understand the lines of the given poem, and then they asking questions. Question is related to that giving lines, so easiest to understand, easiest to answer the appreciation questions. So second part, section 2. Now telling 2 more questions. 2 more questions. 10 you want to attend 10 2 more questions. So 10 2 more questions. The first three short question. Second 3 appreciation questions. Another 3 grammar. Grammar 4 questions, 5 questions giving, 5 questions giving grammar side. Grammar side 1 questions ask active voice to passive voice. I already explained this question type. Active voice to passive voice, active to passive, easiest one. Simply you understand active voice to passive voice. And earlier classes you studied that active voice to passive voice. Active to passive, just giving on sentences, not mention in a change into active voice, change into passive voice, not mention anything. Just you want to change other voice. So anyone active voice giving, you want to change passive voice. Otherwise you give passive voice, you want to change active voice. So they asking change otherwise. So change otherwise means active to passive. Active to passive ke first rules are the active to passive voice. First rules means what is the principle of present tense giving in subject and present tense. You just one sentences giving for change active voice to passive voice. So which one? Verb is, you want to see verb present tense. To change in passive voice now, is plus past participle of the verb. Is plus past parts of the verb and connecting word by. Connecting word by using. Now because one example I tell, I write a letter. I write a letter. Very simple example for one. I write a letter. I subject, write verb, letter object. So want to change. Otherwise, so change passive voice. So in passive voice, you want objects comes subject, verb come using principles, rules. Present tense come now is plus past participle. Past tense come was plus past participle. Future tense come will be plus past participle. Present continuous come is being plus past participle. Past continuous come was being plus past participle. So 7 and then 5 plus another one. Perfect, present perfect. Have come. Present perfect na come on verb. Have or has. If come have in passive voice had. Have or has had. Okay, in just had plus past participle. Present perfect, past perfect had means come had. Just simply have written, had written. That just telling in once again one example and then tell all other tense. One example, I write a letter. I subject, write verb, a letter object. So object comes subject, a letter, verb comes present tense. So present is plus past participle. A letter is write, wrote, written, connecting word by me. A letter is written by me. A letter is written by me. That is change to passive. Active voice to passive voice. Change to passive voice. A letter is written by me. So this type of questions asking. So one example in past tense, I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter. So objects comes subject. A letter was written by me. I change in passive voice. I come, me. You come, you change you. It come, it. he comes him, she comes her, they, them, we, us. We will write a letter. We will write a letter. A letter will be written. A letter is just to come. Will be, not is plus past verb, was plus past verb, will be plus past participle. A letter will be written by us. A letter will be written by us. So simply tense, 3 tense I giving. I explained. Now because in using board I tell very clearly, but I am speak only using. So that is not possible to understand in words. So I tell in simply. Another one time I want to explain in active voice to passive voice in board. Now board you need because anyone information. If I talk Tamil na easiest to understand Tamil words. English la need for using board. Board I tell simply explain about. You want to understand clearly. But in words you are not able to attend, so that my talk is waste. I feel so. I try to another one time to explain very clearly about how to change an active voice to passive voice. So now say voice. One question asking. Second question, relative pronouns. I already explained relative pronouns. Which, where, what, when. Which is come on object using which. One place where. In time giving when. Who, whose, whom. Who, whose, whom. Which, where, when. That is giving. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns giving 2 simple sentence. You are using that relative pronouns. You combine giving 2 sentences comes into 1 sentence. You want to write 2 sentences is 1 sentence. So I got the book. I lost yesterday. I got the book. I lost yesterday. Just subject book. So I got the book which I lost yesterday. I got the book which I lost yesterday. Book means object. So objects come using which. Place comes where. Times come when. Anyone first person come who. Second person come or my or others whose. So need a board for using this explain. So I tell another one time for how to. Because I tell it simply. Whatever anybody just using this in a question pattern. Understand only simple question pattern. Which one question asking for? Question type 3. Question 3. Grammar 3 questions. First one change active voice to passive voice, another one relative pronoun, another one direct speech to indirect speech. Direct speech to indirect speech. Direct you change indirect speech. Now said it to is told. Which one type sentence giving? Sentences comprising 4 sentences. Assertive or statement. Interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. So all needed for said to come told. You want to remove all commas and then first person I will see using that I comma after that connecting word that. First one the teacher said to his student. The teacher said to his student. So this type of question comma the teacher told to the student connecting word that. And then teacher means saw, he or she telling that using grammar. Another one sentence come that backside. So direct speech, indirect speech using. Example I will clearly to talk about that direct speech to indirect speech, because here anyone example is not given. So I am tell simply, I am seeing simply tell for in question pattern, not give example, anything not give example for here. So I tell in myself only I telling, for my mind is telling one. So if I have any one example, I tell very clearly about how to change direct speech to indirect speech, indirect speech to direct speech. So the three grammar, three questions you want to practice often you want to practice up to exam preparation time. So you need preparing for this one. Another one dialogue giving, you want to write a report. You ask a report writing. Report writing means one sentence, form one sentence giving the dialogue. You change the dialogue is a sentence. You change the dialogue is a sentence. So who are speaking? Who are the person for to talk dialogue? So Mohan and Satya. So Mohan told Satya, and then using Mohan which one telling? He told that you right after Mohan told to Satya, first one you write the Mohan sentence and then write Satya sentence. Two sentences you making, one sentence. First you want to understand the dialogue, which one information telling and then you change one sentence. Two sentences giving you change into one sentence. So and then you write the report. Mohan told Satya, you write the one sentence. Giving two sentences. So you want to change giving two is a one sentence. So you write that one sentence. Enough. Report writing like giving dialogue you want to change a report. So two persons, Mohan and Satya. Mohan told Satya and then that connecting you change the one sentence you want to write. Enough. Report writing and punctuate the following means you know very well. Using first letter is capital letter and then second comma apostrophe and then exclamatory question tag. You are said to anyone giving sentence come said to na, after said to put comma and then apostrophe using because one sentence giving direct speech to indirect speech, that manner giving na said to comes from a said to is son, said to his father, said to his student. So up to said to his any one person, you put the comma and then using apostrophe and then that giving questions is a statement full stop question tag that sentence is come question tag using question tag exclamation using exclamatory symbol. So punctuate the following easiest one. Anyone student easily to understand that question. So change active voice to passive voice. Another one relative pronoun. Another one direct speech to indirect speech. Another one report writing. Another one punctuate the following. So 5 questions. This section la 5 questions ke need 3 questions. So totally 10 questions la. First 3 questions short question. Another 3 questions appreciation question and 3 questions grammar. Last one roadmap. Roadmap is already know very well for you easily to understand that one. Because you attended more revision exam and answer on quarterly exam, half-yearly exam, and then first midterm, second midterm. So these questions already know very well in roadmap. Roadmap you want to need a way of new persons. You telling a way of any one place to the new persons, anyone new persons coming in your area asking that address for you. So you tell, you explain about the address, how to reach that place. You tell simply using the words straight, go straight or walk straight, turn left or turn right, come, reach main road, anyone place, cross, anyone place, anyone road, come, cross the road, cross the building and reach that place opposite, giving opposite anyone place, opposite to the place, using go straight, walk straight, turn left, turn right, reach and then cross and opposite. These words are using to you to explain about the address. You need just these words. Go straight, walk straight, reach, cross, across and opposite. These words are using to write the road map. So road map easiest one, last 2 mark question, 10 2 mark questions. 10 2 mark questions la come just 3 questions, short question, 3 questions, appreciation question, and then 3 questions is change grammar and then road map. Now third part 3, 10 5 mark questions. 10 5 mark questions la already explain 2 prose paragraph. Prose paragraph la the young seagull studied very well already. So you write that paragraph. Another one, the empowered woman. Another one, last 2 paragraph you read simply. Because they asking one paragraph comes first two lessons. Another one paragraph comes last 2 lessons. So first 2 lessons you write one paragraph. Another one paragraph you need to write. You want to read it. Study last 2 lessons for simply you know about that story of the lessons. Story of the lessons you will be able to write the easiest write answer for that questions. If not able to write in generally, you want memory simple way, just like a points. Points are giving one paragraph for all materials. Government materials also giving only paragraph 5 sentence. 5 sentence you write enough, giving 5 mark. So government giving just 1 paragraph for average students. That paragraph contains only 5 lines. 5 lines is 1 paragraph. So 5 lines you studied enough for 1 paragraph. So you want to write 1 paragraph, you need write 5 lines. So you studied, you memorized that 5 lines. Giving materials are using anyone guide, simply using just 1 paragraph, 2 paragraph, you read lessons 2 paragraph. Another section 2, poem paragraph life. I am every woman, 2 memory poem. 2 memory poem easily to write 2 paragraph. Memory poem you want to write, already studied 2 paragraph. So 2 paragraph you already easily you will write. So if not write 1 paragraph, only 1 paragraph you studied, paragraph come, other paragraph is not studied, you will write for another 1 poem, poetic lines giving. So asking figures of speech, alliteration, figures of speech, alliteration, rhyming words, rhyming scheme. Figures of speech means look like us. These words coming asking. Figures of speech simulate. That 1 question, 1 sentence giving. They asking what is the figures of speech. Figures of speech, that line contents are having that this word as, like, look. This word are come, you are right, these words come simile. Your answer is simile. So figures of speech around childhood, this type of word comes metaphor. simile, metaphor. This figures of speech asking, often. And then alliteration. Alliteration means first letter, first word. One sentence giving first letter of one word. One word of the first letter of given sentences. Every one sentences having 5 or 6 words. Every word first letter is same letter. Every word of first letter is same. One sentences contain 5 or 6 words. That 6 word first letter is same is come alliteration. Alliteration means first letter is same. So you see that first letter of the word, all words, first letter you want to write. You want to write all letters, first letter comes same. So that is alliteration. Alliteration means one sentence is giving 6 or 4, 6 or 5, 5 or 6 words. First letter is same. You want to write the first letter of same word. That is means alliteration. Figures of speech alliteration. Rhyming words. Rhyming words upon last word or last letters are same. Last word, last letters are same. That is called rhyming scheme. Rhyming words. Rhyming words के last letters are equal. Rhyming